Alright, we're here at Tower 3. Tower 3.
At the Caribe Royale.
And we have some,
Four Otis here.
yeah, I believe these are Elevonic 411s. With Series 1 buttons.
I think it's gonna be this one.
They do have nice cabs though, which is nice.
They do.
One.
Quick cab view. Here we are. Hello, hello. We have a nice back here. I like this.
Big brother watching, that's what Andy would say. Series 1 buttons.
For the slanted panel.
988 phone certificates.
Alrighty, you want in on two?
Do you want to switch up here?
Sure.
Got your Otis door track. We'll get a view from the 10th floor while we wait. Got a nice view of the resort itself and of the other two towers. Down there's the pool with the slide. Off in the distance you can kind of see Disney Springs. Overall a pretty nice resort. And we got another elevator. Got the right car.
I got a two. Let me run the whole thing again.
Yeah.
This is car number 10.
Get a cab view. There's Will. There's our friend for security.
And interestingly, we haven't seen the other two go yet. We've only seen the two on this side, even though they're on the same controller, so that's something to point out.
Phone's kind of dusty. Certificate as well.
Alright, you want to end up here?
Yeah, sure.
Ah, you guys are in.
Yeah. Alright. We'll let him go up. Alright. We're not gonna go back up. So anyways, those were the elevators here at Tower 3, and that will be it.